Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got VW Golf 2009 model petrol, I think 1.4, and it has a severe misfire. We'll see what we can do for this car. Today also not good day. See, all frosty day, -4 at the moment. Going with bit difficulties. However, I'm going to start the car first. I had to press clutch, otherwise this car not going to be start. Yes, it start. I'm going to switch off the radio. You can see this side somewhere light bulb not right. Anyway, it's not a problem for me. And you can see here engine management light on, and the other side no warning, only the parking brake and seat belt. However, when I was in a car, I can see slightly, you can see my hands, car slightly vibrate. That's mean symptom of misfire. However, we'll see what happened. The rear exhaust, little bit smoke and little bit misfire. Right, like these scenarios, I can't assuming and work. I need a side support from my good computer. I'm going to plug in my computer. It's underneath somewhere here. I can't see the OBD port. I don't know, you can see underneath here. See, this is the OBD port. Right, it's plugged in, that's why the green color. Right, I'm going to do the scan. Golf. First I'm going to call all faulty codes. You can see 4 faulty code under engine management. This faulty code very useful for the problem. You can see car shaking. '96, '98, 100%. Yeah, we'll see what we have under engine management. Right, little bit interesting. Random cylinder misfire P0300. Cylinder number 1 misfire detected. Cylinder disabling P0300A, and also cylinder number 2 misfire detected intermittent. Right, at the moment it's talking about cylinder number 1 misfire definitely, and also it's identify cylinder number 2 intermittent misfiring. Right, now we know the problem. Computer give much help for us. Right, I'm going to leave it everything as it is. Go to the engine bay and show you what we're going to do. Keep in your mind cylinder number 1 has a misfire and the cylinder number 2 has a random misfire. Okay, let's go to the engine bay. I'm ready for the operation. I have a notebook, pen, marker, couple of screwdrivers and plug remove tool. What I'm going to do small research first, because many garages, when you go to the garage, when they see like this problem, they said, yeah, you need to change coil pack and spark plugs. Yes or no? They change all spark plug and coil pack. Then after that, start the car. Still misfire there. Oh, maybe you need to do fuel injector. Done the fuel injector, again still there. Then after that, customer not happy, garage not happy, lot of problem. I don't want to do that way. I'm happy to go mile of away and give benefit for the customer. If I can save money, I will do definitely. I'm not think twice to save customer money. Right. First thing, number one cylinder or number one ignition coil pack, little bit awkward place, but nothing to do. We have to go one by one. First of all, I'm going to do at the numbers in coil pack. Number one, the coil pack start from the timing chain end. Number one close to the timing chain end. This is number two. Number three. And number four. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all coil packs. Number four coil pack, I'm installed to number one, number three, number two, and the number one and two, I'll bring it to the this side. And the same time, I'm going to install one spark plug for cylinder number one, because that cylinder number one very awkward place. I don't want to remove that spark plug and the coil pack couple of times. If I going to do couple of times, it's going to take a bit time, because I need to remove all hoses to access there. Because of that, I'm going to number four. I know exactly good coil pack and the spark plug good, but I'm going to, however, because this spark plug's not much expensive, because of that I'm only install new spark plug for cylinder number one, because of my workway get easy if I install one spark plug. Otherwise, if I need to remove again, I have to do the same process. I don't want to play with this plastic hose and bits, because it's very delicate. When you do it very gently. It's very hard. Take your own time and do it. Otherwise, it's going to snap from here. This is the bit awkward place one. Yeah, it's come out. Yeah. Right. After that, what I have to do, I have to remove this nut, this Allen key head one, this connector, little bit lift up and in here and leave out of the way. That's why I had to do now. Right, I think I have enough space now to do the job. Right. Oh, good one also out. Right, now I'm going to remove coil pack. When you going to remove the coil pack, you can use pick here, just install underneath and pull the connector. It will come out easily. Like that. Right, all four plugs out. Sorry, all four coil pack out. Now I'm going to remove cylinder number one spark plug. You need a 16 mil socket for this job. But not good practice to use the gun for the plugs, but I'm okay with the gun. I know what I'm doing exactly, then I'm happy with the gun. If you're not sure, use normal ratchet for this job. Right, spark plug little bit black. Smell okay for me. Yeah, I don't know, could be look like to me sometime. Coil pack, never know. I'm going to however change the spark plugs. When you're going to use spark plug, use quality brand, otherwise you don't know what's going on there. Sometimes you thinking you done the spark plugs, but if you using aftermarket like a cheaper part, some China or somewhere, then you ending with another problem. After that, I'm going to compare new one and old one, exactly correct size. Right, I'm going to install new one to number one cylinder. First couple of thread do by hand, and after that tight. That's it. Tick tick. After that, number four going to the number one cylinder. Right, connect the electrical connector and press in nicely. Then after that, you can install this thing, but I'm going to leave it at the moment. Then number three to number two. Because number two also, the computer mentioned random misfire on and off occasionally. Right, now after that, number two going to the number three cylinder. Click, press in. Now number one, we know sometimes this one could be faulty. If it's faulty, cylinder number four going to be misfire. Afterward we'll see what's going on there now. Right, This one connected. Press in. Installation wires. Right, all in. Then after that, I'm going to reconnect this hose, vacuum hose. And this breather hose. Right, install this clip back. You okay? Right, all back, and make sure connect this electrical connector. Yeah, all good. At the engine bay, I'm going to tidy up everything and play with the computer. Then after that, I'm going to take to the road test. Right, now I'm going to ignition on the car. Try to clear this faulty code. Function completed successfully. Continue. Then go to the under engine management and have a look. Any faulty code left there? I don't know. It's not allowed to delete anything. We'll see. Clear. Yes. Clear code completed. Then going back and have a look. Any faulty code left there again? Yeah. Yeah, it's gone. Because you know what happened previously. I'll switch off the car and done the job engine bay, then came here, ignition on, and try to delete the faulty code. It's won't allow to delete, that's why it's came back. However, after that again, turn off, turn on, clean it, all code disappeared. Now exit. I'm going to switch off and going to start the car. Yes, definitely still shaking the car, but right, again engine warning light came on. That's a good sign. Then I'm going to the code again, check what's going on there. Then after that we have an answer. It's going to be coil pack, spark plugs, or something else. We'll see. Bingo, got the answer. You can see again, random multiple cylinder number, misfire detected P0300, cylinder number 4 misfire detected, cylinder disabling. Right, now we got the answer. Right, we'll go to the engine bay. What I done, I'll bring cylinder number 1 coil pack to cylinder number 4. Now basically it's saying cylinder number 4 misfire. Before it wasn't there cylinder number 4 anything. Now we know exactly this coil pack going to be faulty, because some garages doing the whole job at the same time. If it's success, if it's not success, they going to the next step. But however, now I'm no 100% this coil pack faulty. Now I'm going to change only number 4 coil pack. However, you know how to change coil pack and spark plug this car. I'm not going to show you again. I'm going to do the job quickly. When you're going to change the parts, find out quality parts, otherwise you have to repeat the job unnecessary, or sometimes you ending with the wrong diagnostic. Because once you open the box, we can't return this coil pack. Make sure 100% you need a coil pack, otherwise you can't return this coil pack. Right, I'm going to compare new one and old one. Yeah, identically same. Then I'm going to install new coil pack. Right, I think I don't want to come to the engine bay. Then I'm going to close bonnet. Again, I'm going to ignition on, exit, and try to clear. No, then I have to go back again, continue, read codes only, back, clear codes. Now again go back to the code menu and check any code left there. You can see here, no code present. Right, now after that I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Look like to me, you can see no any warning line. Previous, when I start the car, I can notice fluctuate engine revving up and down. Now however, nice and steady. We'll see what happened to the exhaust. Nice and steady exhaust. No smoking, nothing. Even remember the when you start first time, it looked like a tractor. Now nice and smooth, no smoke. Yeah, I'm happy for the job. However, I'm not going to call to the customer until I'll do the road test. Next step, I'm going to the road test. Right, I'm on the road test. You can see no any funny warning light for the under engine management. Car runs smoothly, no any hiccups, no any misfires. Yeah, all good now. Then once I go to the garage, I'll contact you again. Done the road test, 2 miles, 2.5 miles, all fine. But however, I'm not satisfied with the dashboard light. I'm going to check with computer again, any faulty code related to the this repair. You can see as it is, no any faulty code for the this repair. Now I am happy. Then I'm going to call to the customer to pick up the car.
To the EE voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you've called.
Right. Customer not pick up the phone. However, now we know could be him. Yes. Are you okay?
Hi, Charlie. You alright?
Yeah, good. Thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Good news. All good. Nice.
Oh,
You can come.
brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I should be with you in about to arrive like half an hour sort of thing.
No worries. No worries. Take your time. Thank you.
All right.
Cool.
No worries.
Thank you.
Cheers, Charlie. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. Right. So now you know the problem. You know how to diagnostic, because normally some garages, some people charging for the diagnostic. Yes, of course, I'm also charging for the diagnostic. But once they diagnostic, they said, as a first step, you need to do this thing, that thing. No any confidence about the job. They change the spark plugs, coil pack. Then after that, oh, still misfire. Could be injector. Change the injectors. Oh, could be something else. Yeah, that's why we need to do the diagnostic and find out exactly what's the problem. That's why I done today, because lot of thing can be happen for the misfire. Spark plugs, coil pack, injectors, valves, piston, lot of. So sometime electrical. Yeah, because before we do the job, we need to make sure exactly this is the problem. If it's not that one, we had to go to the next step and find out exactly problem. Then after that, do the repair. Then customer happy, car definitely happy. I'm running nicely, so I am happy, everyone happy. That's it at the moment. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, or you experience like this problem, please mention below, comment below. I'm happy to see your problem. I'm happy to answer your question. Okay, and also please don't forget to subscribe, follow my channel, thumbs up, and share this video sometime. Maybe your family friends needed help. Sometime this video going to helpful for them. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.